In this video, I will share some important milestones in my life and the experiences behind them. My first milestone was my Banchetto team. One memorable experience was our Banchetto activity. My team and I worked together to sell food and serve customers. It helped us learn teamwork and responsibility. Second important milestone in my life was graduating from senior high school. It was a proud and unforgettable moment for me and my family after all the hard work I put into my study. Lastly, bonding with my family and friends. Spending time with my family and friends through outing and bonding is also special to me. This moment allow us to relax and create happy memories together.
Lapi sa unang sulat ko ng tula, pabili ng ginamit kong ballpen sa bagsak kong mga marka. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala.
This milestone remind me of the experiences and lessons that helped me grow.